Hey guys, welcome back to the Go-Go channel. Today I am changing it up a little bit again. I wanted to do something different, and I thought I would make this video for you because I finally am going to do like a haul that's not thrifting. So I have noticed in my wardrobe that I'm missing a lot of like the dresses and the things that I'm seeing that I really like and that I want in my wardrobe. But a lot of that stuff is really hard to find when you go thrifting. It's just not really available, or if it is, I mean, it gets snatched up right away. I really wanted some dresses because we're going to be going on a vacation to NOLA, New Orleans. I'm super excited. I've never been. I've always wanted to see it, and I wanted some new stuff to wear. I have gone thrifting and gotten some really fun spring, summer pieces, but I still felt like there were things that were missing. So I went to Target because I think I've mentioned before that I work at Target, so I get a discount. I work at headquarters. They have a lot of good things and stay on trend, and they have really good quality pieces. I really like the Who What Wear brand. I like Universal Thread. Basically, I like all the main brands that they have. I was really liking the silhouettes of the new dresses and things that were coming out. So I definitely went to Target and got some things. That's probably where I got most of my things. And then I wanted to go somewhere and get some other dresses. So I decided to go to Zara, and I was super excited because I found some really amazing pieces. And I was kind of shocked at how reasonable their price points are for the majority of the items, and the quality is impeccable. So I'm going to show you what I got, and some of that stuff's going to be coming on my trip with me. But we're going to get right into it, and I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to start out with Target first. So the first thing I got was just this basic bralette. It's a lace bralette, and I got this really cool green color. I think it'll be good for layering. So it just has a lace back. It's stretchy, and I like the thin straps on it. It has like a double thin strap going on, and I really thought that was cool. So I picked up that one. And then I needed a couple pair of shorts. I had a hard time finding black that I liked the shape of. They just had a lot of basic denim cutoff type of shorts, and I really wasn't feeling that because I wanted something that was a little more comfortable, high waist, and had something unique about it. Still really couldn't find anything, but I did find this nice basic pair of, it's more like a charcoal gray, and they're drawstring. They do have like flat pockets on the back and on the front, which is really fun, and they're just nice and loose. So I thought that they would be great because it's going to be pretty warm. It's like super hot right here in Minnesota right now. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 92 degrees Fahrenheit.
So it's 92 right now. Yesterday was like 97 or something, and it's super humid. So it's really hard to know what to put on and be comfortable but still look good. So I like these for that, but they're really nice and lightweight, so I think they're going to be really good. The second pair of shorts I got are these, and I'm obsessed. I love these. I love the pockets. I like the seams on the pockets. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a seam right here, and then it has pockets on the back as well. I love the paper bag like top of them, and then it comes with a belt too. I just have the belt on the side right now because I want it to be nice and flat when I pack it. I'm definitely bringing these, and these are by Universal Thread. I think both pair of shorts are Universal Thread. Yeah, both pair. I know I'll get a lot of use out of both of those, so I'm super excited about that. The next thing I got was on clearance, and I just thought it was so cute. I love this. It's a little t-shirt. I actually cropped it already. It was a lot longer. I cropped it because I just thought it looked a little better, but I like the sleeves. They're really not your average t-shirt sleeve because they have elastic here. Almost looks like a short sleeve sweatshirt style sleeve, and I like the graphic on it. They had 3 different kinds, and I got her because I thought she was beautiful, and I liked the fact that she's a plant lady like me, so that was really cute, and I love the color. And I'm not sure if I'm going to bring this one on the trip, but I definitely have already worn it, so I'm going to get a lot of use out of it, and it was on clearance, so it was a good deal. The next thing I got is also Universal Thread, and it's this romper. It's like the boiler suit style in shorts, and I've always wanted one. I really like this rusty kind of golden color. It's like the only color in the orange and yellow family that I can really get away with wearing, and it doesn't make me look kind of gross and yellow in my skin. So I'm excited to wear that. It's super comfortable. It's linen-y cotton blend, so it'll be nice and lightweight. This next piece is going to take a little altering for me because I wanted it when I saw it. I just loved it, and it's a large. I can get away with being able to wear it the way it is right now, but it's kind of loose in the sleeves. But I love this style of shirt, and I don't really have it, which is so surprising. I love the green and white gingham, and so I just kind of need to tighten the elastic on the sleeves, and I might have to take it in a little bit on the sides. It's a really lightweight cotton, and this one is by Who What Wear, and it's currently on clearance, so if you can find it in your Target, I would say get it. It's a really good deal right now. I think it was maybe $13 on clearance. So anyway, I think it's really cute. I love the bright green, and I'm super excited to wear this one. This next piece is also green and white gingham, but it is a little bit more of a bluer green, and it's just this long pleated skirt, and I love the color. I'm obsessed with green. I've always been obsessed with green, so when I saw this, I kind of thought it was weird that I was picking up two pieces, but I mean, one is a top, one is a bottom, and I'm going to wear them in different ways. I can already think of a ton of ways to wear this, and I think that even this together would be really fun and cute for an almost monochromatic, like also mixed prints type of outfit. So I'm excited to try that out. The next piece I got is part of the new collaboration that Target is doing with a couple of designers, and they have a whole line of dresses. And this one's by Rixo, R-I-X-O. It's this long slip dress style, and it's a patchwork design with all these awesome colors in it. It also has animal print and flowers. It kind of covers like a ton of the trends that are going on right now. And I can't wear a lot of tight things just because my hips are so much bigger than the rest of my body, but bias cut dresses work really, really well for me. So this one is pretty flattering, and I love the colors, and I'm excited because I think it'll be really nice and cool if it's super hot and humid down there. So I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one here at home and when we're on our trip. So I'm definitely putting this one in the suitcase. This next one I don't think I'm gonna bring just because it's pretty heavy, and I think it might be too warm for that while we're there, but it is another dress. This one's universal thread, and it's a 4-tiered dress that's like spaghetti strap, and it's just super simple in its silhouette, but I love the pastel stripes in it. It's kind of bright, but then at the same time it's subtle because it's pastels, and I just really liked the way it laid. Definitely will be wearing this a lot this summer. And then the last piece I got from Target, I'm so excited about. So this is the kind of the style that I had in mind when I went shopping. Like, I wanted puffy sleeves. I wanted like some sort of open back situation if I could find it. And then I wanted it to be kind of a midi, almost maxi length. And I found this one. Love it so much. It's by Who What Wear, and it is just beautiful. So this is the front. It has the straight, like, square neckline, puffy sleeves, and then in the back it's open and it ties right strategically perfect for where your bra strap goes, so you can still wear a bra with it, which I think is a must when they design dresses. Like, they should find a way to make it so you can wear a bra still if you want to. And I love the open back. It has like a ruffle at the bottom. Definitely packing this one. So those are all the things I got at Target. I'm just going to quickly show you the things I got at Zara too. I didn't get a ton of stuff there just because, you know, I didn't want to spend a ton of money. I mean, we are going on vacation, and I just really wanted a couple of things to add to my wardrobe. I didn't want to get like a whole new spring summer wardrobe. I usually don't go shopping like that. I don't even usually go shopping like this, but you know, I needed a few extra pieces. I had a ton of fun. The first thing I got is the same thing in 2 colors because it was such a good deal. They are like $5.90 or something like that, and it's these little tiny tanks. They're cropped. I wear tank tops almost daily. I'm probably wearing a tank top all year round because I layer a lot, and I just love them to be able to throw on and then throw things over or wear them just with a skirt. So I got red and white. I don't wear a lot of red, but this combo and the way that the trim is around it, it looks 70s to me and retro, and I love that. So I picked up the red one, and then I picked up the regular black and white one just because I have a lot of white cutoff tank tops, a lot of black tank tops, but I don't have like a combo, and I thought that would be kind of cool to have just a white one with the black trim. So I got those two. And then I found this. It's going to be really hard to show on the hanger, but once you see the try on, you'll kind of get what's going on here. It's a one sleeve top, so it's sleeveless on one side. So it goes down obviously across your chest, and then the sleeve is also kind of like a big ruffle. So it's looks more like a sleeve in the front, and then in the back, it's like a flap that goes all the way down half of your back, which is pretty cute. It's so different, and I love, 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 love the color. It also has this really cool rickrack trim on the bottom in black and tan. So I thought that was pretty cool. It almost gives it like an embroidery look. It also has the rickrack on the sleeve where it's gathered. So it just kind of adds a little touch of detail, which I thought was really cool. Definitely gonna pack this one because I think it'll be really fun for New Orleans. I don't know, it just gives me a New Orleans feel. This next piece, I was shocked at the detail and how beautiful it is. I found this really pretty sweater. I have it hanging from the ribbons that they put inside just because I don't want to stretch the sweater sleeves out, but it's just a ruffle sleeved little white sweater. I love the detail on it. It's so beautiful. Like the cutout detail, and it has these little pom-poms on it too. And then the other thing that just really shocked me is that they even went as far as to put in little snap tabs that hold your bra in place, and it also keeps the straps of the sweater up, because I was like, oh, it's a little bit loose and it's heavy, so they could very easily fall down. So they just like thought of everything, and the quality on this is amazing. And it was only like, I think it was $35, and I was shocked because I feel like it's better quality than what the price is. I'm definitely packing this one. I'm gonna do a pack with me quick video. Anyway, you'll see kind of what I pack when I go, but this is definitely going with me. And then the final thing I got was the one that brought me to the store. It was this dress right here. I saw it online and I just fell in love with it. It's a really nice gauzy white fabric, and then it has this beautiful embroidery trim around it that's like teal, two different color teal. It's more of like a minty teal and then a darker teal, and it's around the deep V in the front, and then the sleeves and the bottom have this really pretty embroidery on it. And I'm so excited to wear this. I love it so much. I think because the V comes like down to here on me, I think I'm gonna wear like a swimsuit top underneath, or see if I can find like a little like bralette or something. I want to find like a neon green, I think would be really cute because it would pop under here, or one of the teal colors. We'll see. If not, I could always try to wear the green, this green one here too, because I think that it would play off the teal really cool. So I think that would work. But I'm going to see if I can find something that matches it a little bit better. But I'm super excited to wear this. I hope that it's not too hot because it is long sleeved. But it is all cotton, so it'll breathe, and I think it should be okay. So that's all my things I got. I didn't pick up any accessories or any like jewelry, just because I have so much and I've done so much thrifting, and I usually find my best items when I do that, and then I like it because it's more unique and no one else has it. So I didn't really need to find anything like that. I have lots of little handbags, and I have scarves, and I have basically everything for my summer wardrobe. So I really just needed a few extra pieces to kind of add to it. So I hope you liked this. I will link any items that are still available. I'll link them below. Thanks for watching. If you like this, make sure to hit like, and make sure you subscribe too, because I'm gonna have like my packing video coming up. I still have to finish my video from when I went to Palm Springs and we did the big road trip, and then I have a lot of home DIYs coming. So definitely come back, make sure you subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.